Hi, I'm Kayla, and I'm a registered dietitian at Wellstar Health Place. And if some of you guys are stuck at home, well, all of us are stuck at home, right? Anyways, we should be. Stay home. I have got some fun activities for you guys to do. This is going to be all about activities that you do while you're stuck at home that are fun for kids, adults, whoever's bored. So let's begin. All right, so we've got some good stuff here. First and foremost, and again, I kind of consider myself a big kid anyways. I think these are good for adults and kids. You can make a pizza, but you don't have to do the whole dough roll out thing, right? You can just get some whole wheat English muffins, whole grain English muffins. If you're gluten-free, you can do gluten-free English muffins, and just give it a toast and then put your ingredients on it. Do your pizza sauce, your veggies. Olives are really fun for kids because then you can make faces. You can make the eyes or the smiles. Mushrooms, cheese. With your veggies though, because then you're just gonna put in the English muffin for a little bit at the end. You might wanna saute them so they're softer, a little more pleasant when you put them on the pizza, but that could be a really fun activity to do while you're stuck at home. Another thing you could do, you could plant some herbs. You could plant a little mini garden, right? Just because you're stuck at home doesn't mean you can't go outside. You can go outside, maybe plant a little garden, or even if you just have a balcony, you could do a little herb garden. And kids really enjoy planting things. I really enjoy planting things too. And you could also make your own little faux garden by cutting up veggies to look like flowers. So that's always really fun too. You can also there's a lot of activities where you can cut up things to look like snails or flowers or dinosaurs. You can make little sandwiches that look like cats, and that's always fun. So just kind of browse around, see some fun activities that you could do, but creating a mini garden can be great. You can also, this is a massive pan, look at this thing. So you could do a lot of baking, right? You've got a lot of time. You could do, and kids love things that are mini. I love things that are mini too. You can just have them as little snacks. You can do healthy baking, whole wheat muffins. You could do maybe muffins that have veggies like carrots or zucchini or banana. There are healthier ways to bake little mini baked goods, and baking is just very comforting. If you're stressed, it's a great thing to do as just a fun activity. And last but not least, go into a paper bag. No, just kidding. Your cat will love this. So this is kind of a fun activity you can do. If you want to just get a blindfold, right? And I like to call it a food sensory game where you're testing your senses. So you could either test your touch by putting things in a bag and guessing what the food is. You could test your taste by blindfold tasting things. You could test your senses. Let's see, smell. You could smell something and try and guess what it is. But it's really fun to just test your senses and see if you can guess what things are. And it's fun to do things that have fun textures, like kiwis or peaches, or put a bunch of mushy stuff in a bag. I don't care. Whatever's fun. And that can be a fun game to do. So those are some of the fun activities that you can do at home to keep you sane. We're also going to be posting some recipes, so keep following us on wellstarhealthplace.org or Wellstar Health Place on Facebook. I hope this has given you some great ideas, and stay happy, stay healthy, and live well, and I'll see you later.